Let me introduce few life hacks with emotions. Yes, I do. And no, I don't.
Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you like fish? No, I don't.
Do you like Do you like fish?
No, I don't.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I do.
Good.
Do you like pears? Yes, I do. Do you like milk? Yes, I do. Do you like cheese? No. Yes, I do.
Do you like cheese?
No, I
Yeah, good. Do you like cheese?
do. Yes, I do.
Good.
Do you like sweets? Yes, I do.
Do you like sweets?
No, no.
I don't. Good. Do you like sweets?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Do you like
These smiles we use when we compete.
happy, fast,
Agak ya?
dirty,
Yes.
bright, ugly, slow, small, big, cute, bad, good, wow, sad, good, sick.
And these smiles we use when we have some task with matching.
Good, bad,
Good. Thank you. Next.
ugly, cute,
Yes. Thank you. Next.
big, small,
Good. Thank you. Next.
clever, stupid,
Good.
tall, short.
Thank you. Good job. Dear colleagues, all of these smiles are handmade. Thank you for attention.